Unraveling the meanings of discharge, a guide to understanding its usage. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating word that often puzzles English learners: discharge. This word can be quite tricky because it has multiple meanings depending on the context. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use discharge in various situations. Let's get started. Discharge is a word that can function as both a noun and a verb. The meaning changes based on its usage in a sentence. As a verb, it generally means to release or let go. As a noun, it refers to the act of releasing or something that has been released. Keep in mind the dual nature of this word as we explore its different contexts. In a medical setting, discharge can refer to two things. As a noun, it might mean a substance being released from the body, like a nasal discharge. As a verb, it often refers to a patient being allowed to leave a hospital or medical facility. For example, after his recovery, the patient was discharged from the hospital. The doctor noted a clear nasal discharge in the patient's medical record. In legal and professional settings, discharge carries a sense of fulfillment of a duty or obligation. For example, he was discharged from his duties after the project was completed. The court discharged the accused after finding no evidence against him. Here, it's used to indicate the completion or termination of a responsibility. In a military context, discharge can have a couple of different meanings. It can refer to someone being released from military service. It can also mean the firing of a weapon. For example, the soldier was honorably discharged from the army. The guard discharged his weapon during the training exercise. Lastly, in environmental and technical fields, discharge often refers to the release of substances, like chemicals or electricity. For example, the factory was fined for illegal discharge of waste into the river. The discharge of static electricity can damage sensitive electronic components. Understanding discharge in its various contexts can greatly enhance your English language skills. Remember, the key is to pay attention to the context in which it's used. Whether it's in a hospital, a courtroom, the army, or a factory, discharge has a unique meaning in each setting. We hope this video has been informative and has helped clarify the use of this versatile word. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.